Do you want to be an epic YouTuber? Well, no worries. I have the video for you. Step 1.
Create a really shitty video.
Using your phone's built-in camera.
And don't forget to film vertically.
Step 2. After you finish editing it in iMovie, upload it to YouTube.
Remember to use copyrighted music!
Step 3. Spam comments on everyone's channel saying that you've uploaded a video and that everyone should check it out.
Or you'll chain them to a wall and pull their nails off one by one.
Step 4. Nobody watching your video?
Probably because it's utter shit.
Well, no worries. Just create 10 YouTube accounts and subscribe and like all your videos. People are watching your videos?
Do it anyway.
Step 5.
Subscribe to Elee.
Step 6. Once you've gained enough viewers, create another video.
Maybe of the viewer's family being held in your basement.
And tell them to like and subscribe.
Or their families will be forced to play Fortnite.
Step 7.
Get a life.